Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When I moved to Vancouver, David and I went to this quaint little restaurant by the ocean and it became our favorite spot. The food was amazing, the prices were affordable, and the ambiance was perfect. They also serve a dessert that we just loved. Unfortunately, they sold the place and I had no other choice but to duplicate it at home. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my sticky toffee pudding. OMG! This is such a scrumptious dessert. The cake is so tasty. Plus, when it's time to serve, it is topped with a gorgeous warm toffee sauce. This is pure indulgence. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, we'll add chopped dates, boiling water, and baking soda, which will help to soften the fruit. We'll stir and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover and gently simmer on medium-low for 5 minutes. Halfway through cooking, we'll give a quick stir, cleaning up the sides of the saucepan. We'll put the lid back on and cook for the remaining 2.5 minutes. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and we'll add pure vanilla extract. I know it's pretty dark, it's hard to see, but it's there. We'll give a good stir, then cover and let it sit while we prep the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, we'll combine flour, some baking powder, a teaspoon of ground ginger, a little bit of ground cloves, and ground sea salt. We'll whisk our ingredients until very well blended and set aside for now. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add melted butter and brown sugar. With the paddle attachment, we'll process until the mixture gets creamy. To this, we'll add 2 eggs and process until well blended. Next, we'll add half of the flour mixture and on low speed, we'll process until just mixed. We'll add the remaining flour and do the same until just combined. Now, we'll add our date mixture and mix on medium speed until it's all blended, stopping it to clean the sides of the bowl. Alright, so when this is done, we'll add the batter to a muffin pan that's been buttered and floured to about 3/4 full. We'll gently top the pan on a counter to remove any trapped bubbles and transfer to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll make the toffee sauce. In a small saucepan, over medium heat, we'll add butter. And when it's melted, we'll add brown sugar as well as heavy cream. We'll stir everything very well and cook for 15 minutes, stirring often. Back to the oven. After 20 minutes, we'll remove the muffin pan from the heat and place it on a wire rack. Using a toothpick, we'll poke a few holes in each muffin and then pour about a tablespoon of toffee sauce on top. Now, if you want to bring it a notch higher, when the sauce is absorbed, you can glaze it with cream cheese icing. When it's time to serve, we'll pour a generous amount of toffee sauce over each pudding. And if you don't use cream cheese icing, you can serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. And my friends, this is our sticky toffee pudding. Delightful and incredibly delicious, this moist and tasty pudding is a must-try. The cake is flavorful, plus topped with a beautiful dark toffee sauce. This is pure indulgence. It's a lovely way to end a meal.
I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!